Hi, I'm Mark Holthe, Canadian immigration lawyer. And in this video, I'm going to answer the question, can I claim work experience from two different NOCs in my express entry application? All right, you express entry hopefuls, some of you may realize that you do not have 3 full years of foreign work experience in one NOC. So I get a lot of questions from people who say, can I combine the work history? Well, it becomes a little confusing because people often don't understand that there are 2 steps to the express entry process. Step 1 is meeting the eligibility for one of the federal economic programs. And what are they? Federal Skilled Worker, Canadian Experience Class, and the Federal Skilled Trade programs. So you have to meet the eligibility for one of those. Now, I'm not going to go through all the details of eligibility. You can go to the IRCC site and look those up yourself. But essentially, we talk a lot about people who are outside of Canada who are looking to qualify, and they know that once they hit 3 years of foreign work experience, they've maximized their comprehensive ranking system score. So any more work history doesn't give you any more CRS points. But the question is, can you accumulate those 3 years in more than one NOC? The answer lies in the eligibility for the Federal Skilled Worker Program. In order to qualify through the Federal Skilled Worker Program, you need to have at least 1 year of continuous, and that's the key term, full-time paid work experience that's at a skilled level, NOC B, A, or O. Once you've met that 1 year, you also have to hit 67 points out of 100 within the selection factors associated with the Federal Skilled Worker Program. For many of you with high human capital that are right in that nice sweet age bracket, under 30 years old or right around 30, master's degrees, language scores at a CLB 9, often 1 year is all that you need to meet that 67-point threshold. Well, the reality is, once you've met the eligibility for the Federal Skilled Worker Program, whatever it might be, you can then combine your work history. After you submit your profile in, you can combine that work history when it comes to calculating the comprehensive ranking system from more than one NOC code. And the beauty of it is that you don't even need to have it continuous. As long as you've met 1 year of continuous and you hit that 67 points for the Federal Skilled Worker Program, then you're good to add in NOC, NOCs B, NOC A, NOC O experience to add up cumulatively to meet that 3-year experience. Now, if you're in Canada and you're claiming the Canadian experience, it doesn't have to be continuous to meet the, once again, 1 year in the previous 3 years of Canadian work experience. So that minimum requirement can be met. It doesn't have to be continuous. It can be part-time work with different occupations, as long as they're skilled, that you've completed in Canada. Once again, of course, paid. That's an important aspect of it. And so the great answer is yes, you can, but it has to be done correctly. Now, in my Express Entry course, I cover that. June 1st, you guys know that that's starting. And I'm really looking forward to having a great group of excited people who are awaiting the July draws. When you subscribe early, you'll have the whole month to go through the over 10 hours of on-demand courses walking you through every aspect of Express Entry. And then at the end of June, I'm dedicating 4 hours, 4 straight days of 1 hour each evening doing Q&As with all of you who subscribe to the course. I look forward to seeing you all there, and good luck with your foreign work experience in multiple NOCs. Take care.